Welcome guys to Black Rabbit FX. We'll be analyzing the gold. So first of all, guys, we have to start on the daily. There's no need to start on the weekly again. So from what we're seeing from the daily, you can see gold has been in a strong uptrend, like sometime like strong uptrend, like strong massive uptrend. You can also see that gold is a strong massive uptrend, and we can see that it's also taking support at the 50 EMA moving average, showing that there's room for more improvement, for more strong buying momentum. So and also we can see here that there's a favor lookup around there. The market has covered already, and we can also say that there's a resistance turn to support around this area. We can also call that resistance turn to support. So now dropping down to the forward time frame, guys. Dropping down to the forward time frame, you can see clearly that that point is being respected, guys. It's being respected, guys. Mad, this strategy is mad. It's being respected, guys. So guys, let's mark out our levels also, guys. Marking out our levels, guys. You can see clear rejections from this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point also, guys. Marking out another level, guys. Marking out another level, guys. So guys, let's also mark out the high, guys. The high. This the high will be expecting the market to push towards to. Then we'll mark out this strong order block at this point, which shows that it's another strong resistance at this point, guys. Another strong resistance at this point. So guys, let's drop down, and we can all see, guys. Gold was in a mini downtrend, guys, making lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. Then it dropped to this point, guys. It dropped to this point, guys. Then we can see at this point making a double top, a double bottom, guys. Sorry, guys, a double bottom. Then we can further see this correction, guys. Trying to form this correction towards the upside, guys, towards the upside. So furthermore, we can also say that this is a double bottom, guys. This is a double bottom. Then we can also say that this is a correction, guys. This is a correction towards the upside. So probably we're going to see a drop to this point, and then boom, a strong buy to this up point, confirming that this move is going to be a strong, massive buying move. So waiting for this for market to break above. Then we test the 50 MA moving average. While we're testing resistance, making it support. Then we're hoping to see the market move all the way to this point. That's my analysis on gold, guys. So let's mark out this tiny support level, guys, at this point. Let's mark out this tiny support level at this point. So that is my analysis. Probably we'll see movement and then breakout and then retest. Well, we might not see a retest, but however, we're gonna just watch how the market does it, guys, and then boom, we're going to see the move all the way to this point, guys, all the way to this point. So that's good. Good guys. This is Black Rabbit Effect. So we're going to be analyzing NZUSD. So partly we'll start from the weekly, guys. So starting from the weekly, guys, we can all see our level of structure though. If you can all see at this point, it's a massive drop, and then the buys. So guys, we'll start from marking out our levels, guys. Before any other thing, we're gonna mark our levels. You can see a strong level here, guys. Let's mark our low, make a strong low here, and then go to marking out strong reversal level, guys. Strong reversal levels. Then we'll mark out a strong high here at this point. So guys, there's nothing much to do here except there's nothing much to do, guys. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna drop down to the daily time frame, guys. Dropping down to the daily time frame, guys. So dropping down the daily time frame, we can all see that the market really took support at this area. That's around 0.588837. That has been a strong number of support for a very long time. You can see one, two, three. You can see it touches here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So guys, that has been a strong support area level, and we can also see this point. There's been massive number of support and resistance there at this point, guys. So probably we're waiting for market to get to that level. So guys, that's it on the levels. I think we should also mark those insignificant levels, guys. So, I think so, guys. Marking them will be of great help, guys. It will be of great help. So let's go on to the 4 hour time frame, guys. Dropping down to the 4 hour time frame, and yeah, so we can all see the market is actually rejecting this place at least. You can all see the rejection. It came, it failed to break the support and making a false breakout, guys. Then shot back in, then came back to give a double bottom. Then we can all see all the way from where it's going towards the upside. So, and if you can all see, this is a, a head and shoulder pattern, guys. This is a head and shoulder pattern, guys. So probably we're going to see this correction towards the upside, guys. Towards the upside. So that's my analysis on NZD. I think we should drop down to 1 hour time frame for me to confirm the entry position. So from the entry position, you can all see that it's a level at this point. A level at this point, guys. It's a level at this point, guys. And also it's another level here, guys. And you can also see that this is a double bottom, guys. A double bottom. Double bottom, guys. Double bottom, guys. So I'll be taking my entry around this point as of now. Taking my entry around this point. My stop loss will be below this level. 20 pips. And then my TP1 will be around this area at this point. Usually around that's around 80 pips. So guys, that's my analysis on inside USD. I'll be waiting to see a buy towards the upside. So guys, thank you guys. Peace. This is the playout of the analysis for last, I think for last week or last 2 weeks, I think. So as we all can see, there was a steep downtrend around this point. Around this point here, according to this analysis. So we can all see that my entry was around this point till around this point here, around this point, which the market actually respected though. Market actually respected, guys. So and forming a head and shoulder pattern at this point, guys. I am expecting the market to push further, guys. To push further at this to this point. So that's it on the entry for gold. For analysis for entry for gold for last week analysis, how that later played out. So I'm going to wait for a retest around this point though. If I can see a retest down this point, I might want to enter the trade towards the upside. So that's it for the analysis on gold though. We're going on GBP USD. Oh, my analysis played out perfectly very well, but I think there's nothing much to do here, guys. Analyzing GP AUD. Start from the daily, guys. Start from daily, we'll mark our daily lows. Daily lows. After marking our daily lows, guys, mark out a daily high, guys. After marking out a daily high, mark out a support level in the daily time frame and a resistance at the daily time frame, guys. Then there's nothing more to do here. First of all, let's mark out this level nicely. This is one of the strongest support level you can see around this point. So guys, let's mark that level nicely. So dropping down to the 4 time frame, guys. Dropping down to the 4 time frame. You can see there was a clear rejection here, guys. You can see a clear rejection here, guys. A double top, guys. A double top pattern, guys. Going to be analyzing AUD So start on the daily though because there's nothing much to do on the weekly. So mark out a daily low and a high the daily. You can likewise mark out these levels at this point. So guys, that's it for the daily time frame. I think so. Okay, there's still more levels to mark around this area. So we're gonna mark out this level at this point. Mark out this level at this point, and I think at this point also. This point also. So let's run to the 4 hour time frame, guys. Let me adjust this stuff. Guys, we can see at this point, guys. Market was making after this steep down move, guys. Like give us a double bottom and then this correction. Before we started seeing this higher low, higher low, breaking structure. But recently we saw that the market failed to create a higher high and then broke below. Understand? Broke below at this point. So guys, we're going to consider our entry from this point. And if you can see there's a trend line at this point. The trend line at this point, guys. The trend line at this point, guys. And so we can also mark out this level at this point. Mark out this level at this point, guys. Mark out this level at this point. I think so. So we can all see at this point that there has really actually been a change in the direction of the market. After market broke below to this point, it now gave us a double top. Although many people are saying I see this as a head and shoulder pattern, but because here this is clearly almost an equal high there and broke below this range of support. So we're going to wait for a retest. We're going to wait for a retest around this point, then a drop around this point, and then towards this point, and then so we'll likely see a drop to around this level. First, this level, this will be our TP1, and this will be our TP2. So that's just it. That's just it, guys. That's just it, guys. So that will be well. So I think from that point to TP1 should be around 6 pips. So we're risking at least 25 pips, at least 1 is 2. Then our TP2 will be 128 pips. That's like almost 5%, 1 is to 5, guys, which is like a massive great risk to the world, guys. So that's my analysis on AUDCHF, guys. Thank you guys for watching, guys.